So this is the W70 by KeyBayTech, and what an absolutely incredible board, man. Talk about like style. This thing is just absolutely gorgeous. Um, Definitely one of my most favorite boards in my collection right now, and it definitely felt the most premium putting together. It's a three-piece construction with a copper bottom weight and a stainless steel engraved PVD weight as well. The board is just freaking gorgeous, man. I opted to put in the frosted polycarbonate tail lights over the aluminum bezel ones because I thought that would look really, really cool, and it friggin' did. So, yeah, this board is absolutely fantastic. It's a shame that he's not going to run this color again anytime soon, to my knowledge, because the Mech Purple is definitely hitting. To anybody who got one of these during R1 of the group buy, congratulations, you now have a piece of keyboard history. To anybody who didn't, good luck finding it on Mech Market. But yeah, man, I just wanted to showcase this board, do a quick little talk about it, and just show you how friggin' awesome it is, man. I just really, really love all the cool effects that you have on this particular board. So you should be able to do like this, yeah. Hazard lights, super cool. Rainbow puke. Just so many really cool effects, man. Hazard's obviously my favorite because I went full tilt and I did a Ava themed build, which turned out really good in my opinion. So I hope you all think the same. As for the sound of the board, it sounds pretty good. This is in top mount. It does have a little bit, just a tad little bit of hollowness in my opinion. I did use plate and case foam to kind of combat that. I'm using a palm plate for this. So even with all that, there's still just a little bit of hollowness, just in my opinion. I could be wrong, let me know what you think in the comments. But I'm looking into getting a full aluminum plate to try in the gasket mount configuration, maybe even top mount, see how it sounds, because the board is pretty bouncy, pretty flexible, even with plate and case foam in there and the top mount. You still have a decent amount of flex when you're typing. So I don't think an aluminum plate would be out of the question. But yeah, I just want to show this board off because I think it's cool, man. I think KeyBay did an excellent job with it, and I'm excited to see what else they do in the future. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next